You here, and sorry I didn't upload. I just couldn't upload, so I changed my schedule. It's not 2 videos a day. I'm just gonna make videos when I can. So today's video is on Subway Surfers, and so let's get into it. Not the best at this game. I'm going to try to focus as much as I can, guys, so I'm not going to be talking that much. Okay, that was a fail. And guys, if you see me do this, it's boring just going in a straight line, so sometimes I just go like up and down. Sorry if you guys can hear anything in the background. I do apologize. Daily mission complete. Get 500 coins. Well, at least I think that's what it says. Or I think I just got 500 coins. Oh, okay then. Guys, this video is going to be like about 10 minutes long. And I tried to upload a video and it was like 20 minutes and I was on Bloons TD Battles. But I couldn't because it was too long. I had to confirm my channel before I did that. So you're going to be seeing minimum of 15-minute long videos. So. Doing pretty good so far. Okay, I don't know what happened there. I couldn't touch anything for some reason. So, just died randomly. Oh, what the heck just happened there? Okay then. Okay, lag there. Again, lag. Okay, something just went off in the background. Like, it was my brother's phone, I think. Something like that. Yeah, let's keep on going. Haven't done too bad yet. Guys, I'm thinking about doing 10 subscriber special. I know 10 subscribers is not a lot, but whatever, it's a lot for me. A 10 subscribers special, and I might do a Q&A if you guys want to see one. If I get at least 5 likes on this video. If I get 5 likes, I'll do a Q&A when I get 10 subscribers. On this exact video, not any other videos. And 10 subscribers, that's not a lot of people watching my videos, but whatever, like, that's not gonna be much questions asked, but like, you could write a lot of questions, like, never said not to. Okay, I died there. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like if you did, and I'll see you all later. Bye.